How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversations. In today's video, I'll show you how to download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations. Whether you need to back up your messages or want to save a particular chat for later, I've got you all covered. First, we need to get to the settings page. Go to your Facebook. Now, once you've logged into your Facebook account, tap on three horizontal lines and scroll down and tap on settings. Now, after you've accessed your Facebook settings, find your Facebook information, scroll down. Here you can see access your information, download your information. This is where you can manage all the important information tied to your account, including your data. Now click on download your information. This option allows you to download a copy of everything from your posts to your photos and yes, including Facebook Messenger chats. Click on download or transfer information, go to Facebook. Now choose specific type of information. Here you will see a list of all the data types to choose to download. Now click on messages, then click on next. Now here you can simply choose where you want to download the information. Simply choose download to device or transfer to a certain destination. And that's it. That's how you simply download your Facebook Messenger chat conversation.